Floating and bobbing to the beat of the music, this is Monster's wireless superstar backfloat speaker.
That's going to be great for spring break, chuck it in the pool, have a little dance party in the jacuzzi. Sounds like a lot of fun.
Alltech Lansing showed off its portable rugged speaker that still works, fully submerged. From speakers in water to water in speakers. Oh, and you can't forget speakers built into other stuff, like Sony's light fixtures that illuminate and emanate sound. One company even showed off speakers built into a roaming robot that roamed a little too far. All part of the soundtrack coming from unique speakers at the International CES. Reporting in Las Vegas, I'm Noel Brennan.